Talking about Fawad, of course. I mean, मायरा की बात हो और फवाद की बात ना हो, ये हो नहीं सकता. होते हैं कि लोगों को ज़्यादा है कि यार फवाद and Myra together, and then the Mola Jet trailer came out and it was like through the roof, all of that. क्या कभी ऐसा होता है कि आप जब शूटिंग कर रही होती हैं तो फॉर एग्जांपल बिलाल के साथ, अब मैं बिलाल अशरफ की बात कर रही हूँ, तो आपके जहन में हो कि नाउ आई हैव टू बिहेव लाइक दिस इज फवाद?
No, never, never. No. I've never actually thought that.
आपने क्या वो केमिस्ट्री किसी और के साथ महसूस की है कभी?
No, you see, with Fawad, again, look, it's not something I don't think we have done anything. It's just
वो तो
एक by chance हो गया.
कहते हैं ना अल्लाह मिलाई जोड़ी है
हाँ, वो इस तरह की बात है. That we are just lucky that this happened to us,
And you're good friends,
and
but it's not even like
we just, and you know what, we get so much of this ke abhi bhi when Bilal and me or other couples and they're like, oh, our fans are like, we are the most unlucky fans because we have no Mahira and Fawad pictures or content or they're very like, but that's who we are as people. Fawad is obviously much more of an introvert. I'm still an extrovert, but me and Fawad are not, we're just not those kind of people. Like, we aren't touchy-feely, we won't like, we're both not like that, So I don't know how to tell these fans that, look, we love you guys.
Yeah.
We are close to each other. We are very lucky. I mean, there are very few people that Fawad, talks to or trusts bonds with.
Yeah.
And I think I have the same thing. There are very few people in this industry that I trust and I bond with. And I think we're lucky that we have this relationship.
कि आप दोनों एक दूसरे की जिंदगी में हैं.
Yeah, see now for you guys that's a romanticized version. For us it's like we both are like, if we ever meet, we're like, I'll be like, Fawad, my skin, and he'll be like, I know, yaar, budde ho rahe. That is there. Again, when there are times where I've been upset or where I've needed advice, I've called him, or we've spoken to each other. Also, we just, I think, are comfortable with each other. I respect him, he respects me. I respect his family, his space, his life. He respects me, my family, my space, my life. It's a very nice thing.
It's a very genuine thing.
Yeah, it's a very genuine thing.
It's a very genuine thing. मगर आप लोगों को ऑफर्स तो बहुत आती होंगी ड्रामों की. कितने स्क्रिप्ट मिले होंगे फवाद और आपको इकट्ठे?
Can you imagine कि हमने हमसफर के बाद पहली दफा एक्टिंग में मौला जट में हम एक दूसरे के सामने खड़े हैं.
मुझे पता है. एक लक्स का ऐड था बीच में.
बट मतलब मेरा मतलब है कि डायलॉग्स एक दूसरे को, मतलब मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि मुझे तो याद ही नहीं कि मैं कि ये, बट इट जस्ट फ्लोड.
मगर कितने स्क्रिप्ट आए होंगे?
बहुत सारे
और एड्स आए होंगे कि
बहुत सारे.
एक शायद टक का एड था भी नहीं, एक्वाफिना का था जो कटे गया था. हमसफर के टाइम पे था.
बहुत एड्स, बहुत सारी चीजें, बहुत सारे फोटोशूट्स. और हम दोनों जो हैं वो बाय नेचर, वो तो खैर वो भी लेजी हैं और मैं भी लेजी हूँ. मैं उनसे ज्यादा काम करती हूँ, ये तो है.
वो हमने देख लिया है.
Yeah, I mean, I keep working on a film after film or project after project. But yeah, we are two lazy bums basically. And we also feel, look, again, I don't know, I'm speaking for him because he's does not speak. So I'll take the liberty to speak for him. I think we're also, we've been made conscious of the fact that we have this pairing and magic and blah. So we're also a little conscious of the fact that why should we waste it?
Absolutely.
And constantly be doing something with each other, When we will find something to do, like Maula Jat for instance, we did it. Even though it's not a love story.
Of course.
But I think I hope that it's iconic.
Yeah.
That
legendary.
Yeah, I hope so. I hope this it's legendary. That these two played the hero and this is the heroine of the, it's Maula Jat and Mukho. So that way we both spoke about it.
Yeah.
that yeah man, maybe I should do this.
Yeah.
So
नहीं तो अच्छा है मेरे ख्याल है मैं भी I believe in a little bit of exclusivity. बहुत ज़्यादा भी आप पब्लिक को दे दें तो फिर उनको आदत सी खराब हो जाती है
like, you know, even बिलाल के साथ, बिलाल अशरफ के साथ और इन सब को मेरे साथ ये प्रॉब्लम होता है कि मुझे नहीं मज़ा आता शेयरिंग BTS एंड I don't know. शायद I think I'm old school that way, maybe.
बिल्कुल.
Because I've been, you know,
हमारा old school is good actually. मेरे ख्याल में थोड़ा वापस जाना चाहिए old school की तरफ. उनकी मैजिक ही और थी ना. इसलिए कि नहीं थे इतने accessible stars एक ज़माने में.
और पता नहीं मगर मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता. अब जो मैं सेट पे हूँ, मैं सेट पे नाचती हूँ, गाती हूँ और जोक्स करती हूँ. वो मेरी प्राइवेट एक स्पेस.
बिल्कुल सही है.
You know, और वो मैं नहीं चाहती कि बाहर जाए.
बिल्कुल सही है.
So Bilal always says to me, this is good for the film, you know, we'll go like this, we'll do this, and you know, all these pictures and this. I mean, can you imagine, Amna, for the first time I went to Lux with somebody, with a guy, I did not know what to do. Because I just don't. मैं तो अकेले जाती हूँ. Twing, twing, twing. And I was like, ugh. So, enter होते वक्त, we were like, I was like, look, I don't know what to do. So he's like, okay, should we like come hand in hand? I said, no. No. So that's how old school I am. I'm like, this is not my husband. No. This is not my fiance. So why should I hold his hand?
Maybe that's what makes you who you are, right?
I mean, I don't know. Yeah. Maybe it just makes me boring.
No, it doesn't make you boring. And you look, by the way, you looked fabulous at that.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I think there's a split on the.
No, but you look fabulous. It was very sort of, you know, fantasy kind of. It was great. Okay. Acha, coming back to Superstar and Bilal. Now, Bilal's not had a successful film yet. I mean, Rangreza didn't do very well. And extremely good-looking man. And I think has the urge to do really well on camera, but has struggled a bit to achieve that level of people taking him seriously as an actor. He must have looked up to you during the film, or I mean, what kind of relationship did you guys have?
So, you know, जब बिलाल को मोमना ने फाइनल किया, तो I don't think मुझे इतनी calls और messages कभी आए हैं. ये क्या है? ये क्यों है? You can decide who your co-actor is. It's like I've never decided who my co-actor is. Never. So I'm not about to do it now. I've suggested people, no doubt, you know, but never said कि ये नहीं होगा या ये कर, you know. And of course there was this worry because actually Superstar जितनी नूर की फिल्म है ना, नूर की कहानी है, उतनी ही या शायद उससे ज़्यादा समीर की. Because conflict तो सारा समीर ही है, you know, and it's a very important role. खैर, so I said ठीक है, जिसकी किस्मत में था, उसकी किस्मत में आया. हमने जब शुरू किया ना, तो he started taking theatre lessons.
Yes, I heard.
Yeah, and I used to go on and off with him. And slowly and I saw how hard he was working. और मेरा ये एक बहुत बड़ा belief है, talent अपनी जगह, मेहनत अपनी जगह. Obviously अगर combined हो तो फिर तो चार चांद लग जाते हैं. लेकिन जब आप मेहनत करते हैं ना और आपकी नियत वो होती है कि ये मुझे करना है, तो फिर आप कर देते. पहली दफा जब हमने सीन किया है, I was shocked. I was like, what is he doing?
Yeah.
Just the way he's done it, and I hope that आप देखिएगा. मैं ज़्यादा कहना नहीं चाहती क्योंकि शायद लगे कि मैं अपनी फिल्म को प्रमोट कर रही हूँ, लेकिन बिलाल ने वाकई अच्छा काम किया, बहुत अच्छा काम किया. And yes, he used to ask me, I used to tell him whatever I could. मैं उसको वही कहती थी जो मेरे डायरेक्टर्स ने मुझे हमेशा बोला है. सरमद ने
क्या?
सरमद हमेशा कहता है कि लाइन पे ईमान ला. जैसे हम ईमान लाते हैं, उसको उस